Alright, hey guys. So this is my first time doing a video like this, but it was too good to not share. So if anybody has this Hitachi 10-inch miter saw and is kind of annoyed with the dust collection and wanted to kind of do an upgrade, but a cheap upgrade, and doesn't have, you know, the professional dust collectors and things like that, and just want to use their shop vac, keep watching, and I'm going to show you how I figured it out. A good way, could be good for you as well. I've got this 10-gallon shop vac, and I'm going to attach it. I found this over in the plumbing. It's a 1.5 to 1 1/4 plumbing fitting, rubber gasket kind of thing. And the plan is to stick this end in there, and then this will leave the opposite end, the reduced side, to plug into that hose. So stay tuned and I'll show you how that's gonna go. Alright guys, so I went ahead and put in the rubber fitting. As you can see, it fits flush and tight in the port in the back of the miter saw, and shouldn't create any issues. I'm gonna check real quick to see if there's still the clearance and everything, but as far as it, you know, right now it looks like there's not gonna be any issues. And all I'm gonna do next is put a thin bead of super glue around the edge to attach it to the plastic housing, and we should be ready to rock. All right guys, as you can see, no issues, full clearance, no problems. This is gonna set up to be perfect. At my local home improvement store, I think this fitting was only $5 or $6, so it's not gonna break the bank, and you know, it should greatly improve the dust collection on this miter saw. All right guys, so I've got the hose hooked up. My shop vac, the model I have, has a 1 1/4 diameter hose, so it did have to come down quite a bit, that fitting, but as you can see, I still had plenty of room to clamp that down even tighter if I had to, and with it being rubber, it can really come down in size. So there was no fittings that were the right size to fit in the machine that reduced all the way down to what fit my hose. So the plan is to obviously, if I'm going to do a lot of work with a miter saw, probably clamp it down really tight, but other times get that clamp to just the right tightness, so where it's a little bit of a push to put the hose in and get it in there tight, and you know, it can come out quick and easy. This is just looking to, you know, I just want to have an easy way to connect and disconnect and go from machine to machine. You know, I have a small garage, just a single car garage. A lot of this has to be mobile and portable for me, so I just don't have the luxury of having a permanent dust collector, and so that's why this shop vac is going to have to do the job, and that this is going to be so easy to unconnect and or disconnect and move on. So hope you guys enjoyed this. You know, it's a real simple and easy fix, and you know, something that can be done in a matter of minutes. You know, you just pick it up, and hopefully it'll help everybody out. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe.